Once upon a time, there was a curious elephant called Nina who wanted to explore the world and live under the northern lights. And let's not forget her old Amma, her spirit grandma, who snuck along. Nina is open-minded and is quick to make new friends on the island. The new friends are adventurous, yet the real adventure are everyday life and its challenges. Despite Nina's playful and energetic nature, she makes an effort to find a moment of stillness and find strength. Nina, Elephant in the Arctic and Her Friends, coming to a screen near you.